A child's innocent question breaks the silence. Grandpa, why did the Prime Minister inaugurate the Ram Mandir? Doesn't he represent both Hindus and Muslims? His grandfather, a man who has seen the world change over decades, smiles and starts to explain. Imagine, my dear child, our family is named Agrawal. Suppose there's a disagreement within our Agrawal family. Naturally, all our family members will stand together, united. Now, imagine there's a conflict between our Agrawal family and another Agrawal family. Again, all Agrawals will stand together. But what if the conflict expands and it's Agrawal versus Gupta? Then all the Agrawals, including us and the other Agrawal family, will unite. Let's take it a step further. Suppose there's a dispute between the Baniyas and the Kshatriyas. All the Guptas and Agrawals, being Baniyas, will stand together. And what if the conflict grows even more significant and becomes a tussle between Hindus and Muslims? Then all the Kshatriyas, Baniyas, and other castes within the Hindu community will unite. And ultimately, if there's a conflict between countries, all religions within our country will unite to stand against the opposing nation. The grandfather pauses, letting his words sink in before he continues. The inauguration of the Ram Mandir wasn't just a ceremony. It was a step towards unity, a move to bring all Hindus together, and in response, all Muslims will unite. Eventually, this unity will extend to the entire country. In the grand scheme of things, it's not about one religion against another. It's about unity, about standing together in the face of adversity. The Ram Mandir's inauguration symbolizes this unity, this coming together of different factions for a common cause. The room falls silent as the child absorbs his grandfather's words, his young mind grappling with the concepts of unity, conflict, and the power of coming together. The inauguration of the Ram Mandir isn't just about a religious ceremony. It's a symbol of unity, a beacon calling for all to stand together regardless of caste, creed, or religion.